Welcome to the Woods and Water Recon tutorial series. In this tutorial we're going to be discussing equipment management. We will show you how to add equipment, update equipment, create equipment sets which can be used in your journal entries. So let's get started. We have already logged into the system and we are on our main profile page. So we'll open the management panel and we will go to My Equipment. Now you have the equipment page, and the first thing to note is right here, the view permissions. This is where you can control who can see the equipment that you have listed in this first table. So to give you a demonstration, we will just set it to public, and that means anyone can see it. And we'll add a new piece of equipment. We'll do a ground blind. We'll do Primos, double bull, and the quantity box is optional. We haven't expanded on that yet, but if you do want to keep track of how many of a certain item you have, you most certainly can do so right there. So there you have it. We have added the ground blind, and you could continue to do that for all of the equipment that you wanted to add into the system. Now if we needed to change the name, we could use the little pencil there. That's our edit, and we could change whatever we needed to, and we could update it. If we wanted to remove it, we could just click the delete red X's there. Now just to show you this view permission, we're going to log out, and I will show you what happens now. So now we don't have any users. So now you can see this is the public view of our main profile page. And now you can see that our ground blind is listed to the public. So we'll log back in. And we will go back to our equipment manager, and we will change this to be friends only, and that's set. So we'll add another piece of equipment real quick so we can show you how to use the equipment sets. We'll do a game camera. Alright, now on the equipment sets, we'll create a new equipment set. And as we said earlier, equipment sets are primarily used just to help you organize things, but you can also use them in your journal. And so if you add an equipment set to a journal entry, it will actually display the equipment that is in that set in your journal entry. And this one will also set to friends for our view permissions. So the equipment sets have individual permissions on each set. So if you have something you don't want anybody to know about, you can set it to private. Alright, so now we have an equipment set. Now you'll notice this table is a little bit different. On this table we have this arrow over here to the left, and this is our expand. And so now you can see there's currently no equipment inside of this equipment set. So there's multiple ways that you can add equipment to this equipment set. You can use the add equipment button, and then you'll be able to choose from your equipment that you have. The other thing you can do is, as our little tip here, you can drag and drop. You can drop to here, like so, You can also drop to the set name, and then you can remove from the set, and that is the equipment manager. Be sure to tune in for our next tutorial.